Welcome back to the Weather Centre, where we've had a wintry day across South Africa on Tuesday. Although we've seen lots of sunshine, some daytime highs have remained below 10 degrees, with other maximum temperatures peaking in the teens. On our satellite, you'll see moisture situated over the far eastern part of the country, resulting in some morning and evening drizzle along the eastern escarpment, with a few showers passing over the southern part of KwaZulu-Natal. And you'll also start to see some cloud moving in over the far southern tip of South Africa, bringing in a slight possibility of rainfall overnight. For the rest of South Africa, though, we can expect cold and clear conditions overnight, with minimum temperatures plummeting below zero over the interior. On Wednesday, we're expecting a slight chance of rainfall still around Cape Agulhas in the morning, with a few showers passing along the eastern Cape Coast, mostly sunny over the interior, with a band of high cloud extending across the country, with that cold weather extending all the way through to the northeastern part of South Africa. Our rainfall probability map for tonight shows the chance of drizzle over the eastern part of Mpumalanga and Limpopo, with a slight chance of rainfall over the far southern parts of the Western Cape. In Johannesburg tonight, we can expect clear conditions with a cold night in store, with a minimum temperature of -3 degrees, with a light southeasterly wind. Then tomorrow the winds turn to the northeast, with a cold Wednesday in store at only 12, and a mostly sunny day with some high cloud expected overhead. Wind-wise, we'll see very little change in the weather between Tuesday and Wednesday, with a westerly to southwesterly wind from the south coast all the way through to KwaZulu-Natal, with that ridging high still bringing in cold air over the eastern part of the country, but more of an offshore component to the wind in the west. Overnight, we're forecasting a minimum of -7 for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, -4 for De Aar and Uppington, 7 degrees for Port Elizabeth, 8 between East London and Richards Bay, 3 as we head into Bombela, with George and Springbok dropping to 4 degrees overnight, and Cape Town and Polokwane at 6. Things remain cold as we head into Wednesday afternoon, with a high of 13 degrees for Kimberley and Bloemfontein, 17 between Cape Town and Port Elizabeth, Durban and Richards Bay reaching 20 degrees in the afternoon, 18 as we head into Bombela, with Pretoria, Polokwane and Mahikeng all expecting highs in the mid-teens. On Thursday, we're expecting a dry day across South Africa, with some cloud along the east coast. Temperatures still remain cold. However, some weather stations start to warm up into the low 20s by the end of the work week, with some cloud expected over the northeastern part of South Africa. A mild day along the east coast, but then cool as we head into Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Stay with us for further updates.
You deserve to know more.
eNCA.com